So I remove the gears, and as usual the big problem was this fork. This pin goes to this gear selector like this, and it goes, engages. So here I'm in second gear, so you can see I have very big play, and because of this there is a groove here. I don't know if you can see it. So it should never be look like this. It should be like this. It should have a flat head, not pointed like this. I will show you the good. So this is the left side, the problem one. You saw how much play there is, and this is the right. I don't know which gear is this, but this is a good one. So look, if I try to move it, very small play. This is how it should be. Very small tolerance. So what I am trying to do is maybe weld a little meat on this, then on CNC machine try to flat this part, so that when I shift to second gear, I hope that it stays on this flat side. In rest is a good part. So a friend of mine welded this broken part, this used up part, and used a BX to make it the same as others. So it looks very good. He used some kind of special weld, and this looks very good. I'm gonna put it back right now. So the new step, so one friend of mine welded this also and rounded it to spec, and this looks pretty good. What I'm going to do next is put all together and see how it fits, how it looks all mounted. So it's no, this is the way. This is the way you can mount it. So I mounted this back on. As am I spinning, this is now second gear. This looks quite okay. Let's say this is first gear. Now it's neutral, or I don't know. This is first. I overstepped it, but I was putting it in second. This is as far as it goes. So now this should be second. But I need to put the spring back and check it again. So after everything installed, I still notice something. I still have a lot of play on this canal. If you look at the fork, there is a lot of play, and I'm afraid that it will slip again at those interior teeth. So I think I still have a problem. Those other ones, they don't have so much play, the fork. Maybe this one, but still not as much as this one, the problem one. This has a lot of play here. What I will try to do next is to remove those rubber intake hoses from the carburetors, try to clean them, and try to use some gasket maker because they have cracks in them. I will try to do this now. Also, the screws, the head screws have some dirt in them, and it was very hard to remove those, to loosen those rings. So all of those are now clean, but if you look at this one has cracks. So I will try to fill them up with silicone. Those are clean, need to cover the cracks. And now, if you can see, the cracks are covered by the silicone. I hope this will last.